Looks like the bus is late again.
Yeah, probably because of the rain.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I take it to my English class. How about you?
Same here. I'm learning English too.
That's great. Maybe we can practice speaking together while we wait.
Excuse me, do you know if these apples are sweet?
I think so. I bought them last week and they were really good.
Great, I'm trying to eat more fruit.
Me too. It's healthy and easy to prepare.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. Enjoy your apples.
Hi, is this your first time at this gym?
Yes, I just joined today. Everything looks so new to me.
Don't worry, it gets easier once you know where everything is.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Almost every evening. If you need help, just ask.
That's really kind of you. Thank you.